What's up, guys? You know who it is here. Well, Ps3 update. Don't make headphones, they're not mine or my niece's. I have to use them because I'm using a different mic for once. My other mic broke, so Ps3 update. My Ps3 is broke. It's right here, how you read the disc. It's broke. I'm going to show you this, watch. Putting the disc in. Nothing's happening, see? I go to press this. Watch. It just wants to come out. I'm gonna go in, wants to come out. I was playing GTA yesterday, and all of a sudden, it was in here, right? It was in here. It's kind of like this. Look, what? Ready? It's kind of like all of a sudden, playing GTA does this. It goes flying out, hits back there. GTA was okay. This game I don't care about. Got this for like my birthday. You know, I didn't like it, so. This game here is Batman 3. It came with the PlayStation, so it's going to be going back with the thing tomorrow. So let's stick this up there. I'm going to clean it off real quick. But no, I'll be it, guys. I'm in the chat room. And plus another update. My HDMI cable broke, so I don't have high definition no more. So, another second thing. And so, if you guys want to see me videoing, you're going to. Well, there you go. Now I can see back my phone once. There you go. And then you can see the front of the phone. And then you can see me apparently, so there you go. Face is real, bitch. Nah, just kidding. But there you go. I'll see you guys in the next one.